Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 18th of September 2023. In the volatile session on September 18th, the Indian benchmark indices ended lower, with the Sensex falling 241.79 points, or 0.36% at 67,596.84, and the Nifty ended at 20,133.30, down 59 points or 0.29%. Top gainers on the Nifty included Power Grid Corporation, Titan Company, and M&M, while losers included Jio Financial, Hindalco, and HDFC Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have PANCEA BIOTEC shares surged to a 52-week high of 165 rupees on September 18, buoyed by high-volume trade. Nearly 1 crore shares of the pharma company changed hands against a monthly average of 8 lakhs. The sharp uptick in the stock price came after Dr. Cyrus Poonawala's Serum Institute of India offloaded 4 lakh shares in the last trading session on September 15 at an average price of 140.65 rupees. According to data published by the NSE, the vaccine maker sold its shares in the company for the second time in the ongoing quarter, after having offloaded 5 lakh shares in August at an average price of 146.31 rupees. Shares of DHANLAXMI Bank tanked 4.5% on September 18, on the news of an independent director resigning from the post. Sridhar Kalyansundaram, one of the independent directors of Kerala-based DHANLAXMI Bank, resigned on September 16, citing multiple issues in the bank's operations and internal battle within the board, according to a communication from the bank to exchanges on September 17. Kalyansundaram, in his resignation letter to the board of directors, has highlighted multiple issues, including lack of support from the board, issues related to a rights issue plan, capital enhancement plan, conduct of the bank's board, probity and lack of consensus on the various whistleblower issues raised to the directors and unethical conduct of bank's business, among other issues. ASHAPURA MINECHEM shares hit a 52-week high at 339 rupees on September 18 after the mining company announced large volume order wins to supply bauxite and iron ore to Chinese companies. In a regulatory filing at the exchanges, the company said, ASHAPURA Holdings, UAE, FZE, a step-down subsidiary of the company, has concluded and signed 2 contracts for the supply of 24 million tons of bauxite from Guinea to a subsidiary of the Chinese aluminium major, State Power Investment Corporation. While the first contract entails 3 million tons per annum supply agreement for 3 years, the second contract entails 3 million tons per annum supply agreement for 5 years. Shares of ZODIAC-JRD-MKJ are trading 5% higher on September 18. A Mumbai-based gold and diamond jewelry company have doubled to 66 rupees in the past 8 trading sessions. An open offer for a 26% stake in the company at 33 rupees a share. For minority shareholders wanting to exit the company, double the price through market sale should be an alluring proposition, but no, they feel shortchanged. That's because the market price, which is twice the open offer price, is only half of what the company is worth, as reflected in its books. Both the acquisition and the open offer price grossly undervalue the company, which has diamonds in its inventory and has a book value of 133 rupees per share. Shares of Vodafone Idea erased their early gains and slipped into losses on September 18 as investors took the recent surge in the counter as an opportunity to book partial profits. The scrip has soared around 50% in the past month. The stock had jumped around 7% and hit a 52-week high of 12.50 rupees earlier in the session after the company announced making a payment of 1,701 rupees crore to the Department of Telecommunications. Shares of JIWANRAM SHEODUTTRAI fell 5% and hit the lower circuit on September 18, soon after listing at a 30% premium to issue price on NSE Emerge. The stock started trading at 30 rupees against its issue price of 23 rupees. At 12:30 p.m., it was quoting at 28.50 rupees. The industrial safety gloves and garments manufacturer had received bids for 78.04 crore equity shares against an offer size of 74.22 lakh shares, resulting into a subscription of 105.15 times. Rajdarshan Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 44.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 58.256 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 37.20, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of 75.28. Kyokal Limited in daily time frame is trading around 314.60 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 5.282 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 266.25, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of 75.41. Indian Overseas Bank in daily time frame is trading around 46.40 points with a change of 17.47% and is trading with a net volume of around 317.389 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 37.20, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of 84.14. For stocks to watch, we have Coforge looks good on current market price of 55.55. It can be bought at 5,544 rupees, keeping target of 5,690 rupees with stop loss of 54.12. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.